Check, check. All right, getting set up for another day of milling here. Cookies mounted. Got all four corners stabilized. Also bolted it down. Went ahead, got the chainsaw out. Got my cut made here. I think the plan is to flip this over so the flat side's down. Looks like we'll have at least a couple of good cookies. I mean, this thing is pretty large, pretty monstrously large. Let's see, here's the tape measure. Maybe 6 feet by something here. Let's see. Get this tape out. 68, so 5.5 by, oh, it's got to be pretty close to 4. Yeah, 45. Real nice tabletop type pieces there. So I got these two, and then we just got a call from a client who wants us to pull a bunch of stump cuts. Should be a pretty interesting project, 10 of them. So I think that's going to occupy me for the rest of the day once I'm done with all this. Weekend was good. Had a lot of fun. Had sushi. Had my 10-year-old niece try shrimp head for the first time. Have you ever had a shrimp head? She was brave. She did it. She tried it. I was a little skeptical, but I also thought she might puke. I was like, you know, she kind of did this thing. She's like, I don't think I like this. I don't think I like it. It's kind of gross. I was like, don't throw up. I felt like I would have been busted, man. If she would have puked while Uncle Josh takes her out for sushi, I would have been. So anyways, it was a fun weekend. All right, same story. We'll do some time lapse. Rip through this. These are 4-inch cookies. Put that other chunk back on, 2.5-inch slabs, and then it'll be up top for scavenging for some stumps. Got to show you up top. It's pretty rad. Is that right? That'll be that for that rack of cookies. That'll also be that for my blade. It is toast. I went for that one more. It's always that one more, but this is good. It was confirmation that the blade is absolutely wrecked. This is going to be some pretty good looking cookies. I'm glad. You know, it's always, you always hope that the cookies, I mean, I think they're pretty cool. I think they're super fun. And it's nice when you get inside of them and they look as good as they sound. Because cookies just sound delicious, don't they? Ugh. Speaking of delicious, we're having wings for dinner tonight. Woo! Woo. Wings in the air fryer? Do you do wings in the air fryer? You should consider that. It's definitely delicious. that's a wrap on that job. Yeah, that's nice. You know, that's part of what this thing is supposed to be doing is contract milling. There's a nice stack there. Bunch of slabs. That'll get the showroom popping. Gorgeous day. Got the doors open, feeling good. All right, ready for the next thing? I'm ready for the next thing. Next thing, we're going up to the top. We're getting some cookies. And I don't think I'm going to be able to fit them a lot. I think through the logistics of it. I got to load something. I'm bringing down 10 of these things. So I think I'm going to drive Rick up there. Load her down. I got a couple of trips back and forth. Maybe you'll hop in Rick with me and we'll go up there and see what we can find.